Welcome to GEOOWN Virtual Ownership, Section 3. In this section, we cover how to use virtual ownership, how to use the GEOOWN platform. So let's start by looking at the landing page of GEOOWN. And once you click on GEOOWN, you come to this landing page. In this landing page, you have the GEOOWN logo here, and there are these 4 colors of GEOOWN: the red, the blue, the green, and the black. And there's an explanation on those colors at the bottom of this section. Here you can select your language, and you can select which language to use in GEOOWN. And right now we just have 3 languages: English, German, and Swedish. And as we go along, you will find more languages being added here. Here you could buy a product, and these two, buy a product and lost and found, are external pages, which means a user does not have to log in to access these pages. The third external function is entering the GEOOWN code to return to its virtual owner. So these 3 don't require login, and hence they are here on this external page. And we'll walk you through the functionality of all 3. Buy a product, the standard functionality of buying products advertised by GEOOWN users. Lost and found is a functionality where GEOOWN users may have lost something and have reported that they have lost their goods, and that can be found here. For example, you could see how many laptops were lost on the streets of New York, or how many cycles were lost on the streets of Tokyo, and so on. So across the globe, in your country, you would have information about that here. Next, you have the videos for different user groups. In GEOOWN, we have different user groups, and we have started with the first user group, which is for the user. Next would come the company user group, and then the manufacturer, retailer, and then insurance company and the telecom operators. So right now there is only one user group which is functional, and that is a normal user like you and me, a single user. Now here you'll have all videos, and this video we are making will also be seen in this section. The next section is the login section, and here you can log in as a user. As mentioned, we have just enabled the user now, and the other user groups will come later. Next, you have another area here, and this area is for returning a product which is found by a finder by entering the GEOOWN code. So the GEOOWN code is the virtual ownership code of that product, and a finder enters that code here and then submits it. And based on that code, a message box opens, and in that message box you can write information about the product to the owner, and you need to give your email ID and your mobile phone so the owner can contact you and get back his product. And here you have some more information about about how to use this. And we are going to cover it in this video section also, on how to return a found GEOOWN product. So the videos have all information about the philosophy of GEOOWN, how it started, all details. And in section 3, we cover how to use GEOOWN. Here we come to what is virtual ownership, which is also explained in the videos. And here it's a very brief synopsis. Next here is where virtual ownership helps you. So basically it's just some pictures. And again, we have all this explanation in the videos. Here are some benefits of GEOOWN. what happens by using virtual ownership. And here is how to own virtually, how to make your products and goods virtual. And here is the process of filling in your product details, creating a unique identity for your product, and sticking or attaching the GEOOWN code, after which the product is virtually owned. And here you have a link to create an account, which takes you to the user account page. Here we have some information on virtual owners. And here we have what the colors stand for. So the colors in the GEOOWN logo are 4 colors, and they stand for different aspects of virtual ownership. One aspect is green recycling, second is security and communication, third is easy ownership with virtual receipts, and so on. So let me take it a bit up here. And here we describe in brief what the colors stand for. So here you have green, then red, then blue, like the blue sky, and black, as in black and white. And finally, here we have where we are located and the user agreements, confidentiality and privacy policy, and so on. So all the links are here. So this covers this first landing page of GEOOWN. Now let's move on to the next video, which is about how to create your GEOOWN account. Thank you.